Hello guys, welcome to Zerogenics Technologies. I am Gabriel, instructor. We are here to build PHP login system using PHP. So we start by creating a database. Let's name it user login. So the table will be users, or let's say logins, with just 4 columns. So we'll start by creating the ID. It should remain int. Let's say 10. Let's say email. It should be varchar with 100 length. The ID should be auto increment. Then password should also be varchar. Let's say 100 in length. It should all be none. And then what else? Date. Let's say login date. It should be timestamp. So anytime the user logs in, it's going to log a time. Let's see, the default should be current timestamp. Let's save this. So let's go to browse. So this is it. Let's insert some data. Let's say admin@admin.com. The password 12345678890. Okay, let's go to browse. Okay, so these are the data. ID 1 because this is the first person. This is the email, the password, and the time it was created. So let's go to Bootstrap. Let bootstrap.com. Then let's create a login page. So login.php. Okay. So let's go to the documentation. And let's go back first and then copy the CDN link. This is it, Bootstrap CDN, which is CSS Bootstrap. Let's paste this in the head. Let's start by creating a container, creating a row, a column of, let's say, MD4. MD4. No, let's create 2. MD4. No, let's create 3 rather. 4. So the middle is going to contain the login form, which will be a method of post. Okay, so let's go to the documentation. And then let's search for forms. Okay, it should be here. Form controls. So something like this will be okay. So what do? Let's go to localhost. I named this YouTube project. This is it. YouTube project. User login and login.php. Cool, this is it, right? Let's add a margin to the top. Let's say margin 5 at the top. So this is going to be the email, and then this is going to be the password. So let's change this to an input. So take this off. This is going to contain a name of password and then a type of password. The label is also going to be a password. This is going to be email. So type is email. This is password. So it's going to be a name of email. Okay. So we're going to add a button. btn primary. So we're going to be type submit type. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's add a card. Add a BGN lights. No, there's something wrong somewhere. Okay, should I be in the form? I think we should add some kind of zip padding 3. Okay, this is it. We're going to be responsive. Get it? So let's start writing the code. So we're going to write the PHP code within, right? So let's first create the database connection, db.php. So we're going to open a PHP tag here. This is the connection variable. So connect variable. Let's call MySQLi connect. Okay. So with the connection, the first is going to be the host, which will be localhost. The next one is going to be okay, first let's do something like this. It's going to be a database. So let's say user login. It's going to be the password. Now this is going to be root, then the password, then the database. So let's check for connection. If not connect, no connection yet. So if it doesn't connect, it's going to echo no connection yet. So let's head back to the browser. Let's see db.php. That means it has connected, right? There's connection. Okay, so let's go back to there. So what we can do is import the connection, include db.php. So let's make sure the button is clicked. So this is the button. So let's name the button, let's say login. We copy this. If it's set, we make sure the button is clicked, and post is going to post is a global variable which is going to get the login. So if I set, or if it sets email, let's add something like trim to get the email, then password, trim, password. So we're going to create the login query. Login query was MySQLi query. Then need the connection connect. So select all from where's the table? This is the table, right? Logins, this is the table, which is this the table, right? From logins, where email is equal to the email at the top, and password is equal to password. So let's make sure there's no error. Login query, if there's an error, echo error in let's say query. Let's log the error. MySQLi error connect, else so let's return the number of rows. If it succeeds in logging in, we're going to return a row of 1. If it doesn't, returns a row of 0. So let's echo the row MySQLi num rows login. So let's try this. There's an error on call to undefined function. MySQLi num rows. It's supposed to be num rows. Return 0 because it is a wrong email and then password. So let's come here and copy this email, and then the password 1 2 3 up to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. What does it return? It returns 1, meaning login success. So the best you can do is just let's say if num rows is greater than 0, then header location welcome.php or welcome.html, else let's use Bootstrap alert danger. No, it should be single quotes because it already contains a double quote. So error in login, try again. So let's refresh. There's an error. It's supposed to add, okay. admin.com. Let's just type anything. Error, try again. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 comes to welcome. So it takes us to creating a welcome page in the user login. welcome.html. Okay, welcome user. So this is it.